Yo, I am bullish on Zcash and Dash, man. If you guys are not bullish on Zcash and Dash, you are missing out, because Dash is the decentralized storage network. Zcash is the HTTP of privacy. So these two coins have a lot to offer, and they have a limited supply, 21 million for Zcash and 18 point something million for Dash. You guys don't want to miss out on this. You're talking about real digital asset, is Zcash and Dash. Real digital asset, Zcash and Dash. Don't miss out on these two coins, because they are the real thing that Bitcoin wanted to be. Zcash and Dash will dominate in the future. And if you guys don't believe me, just keep watching this